Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 27, class 7. Yes, subject social studies, lesson 2.4. Yes, this is new lesson. Lesson name is respect to the nation and protection of nationality. Yes, respect to the nation and protection of nationality. This is very important lesson. We have to gain many knowledge from this lesson. Yes, what is the meaning of nationality? Listen here. Nationality is the positive psychological feeling towards the betterment of the nation. Nationality भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि आफ्नो पोजिटिभ फिलिङ्सहरु हो, आफ्नो देशप्रति, नेसनप्रति चाहिँ पोजिटिभ फिलिङ्स हो. यस, how to develop, how to protect our nation from enemies, from other bad things. Yes, that means thinking positive psychological feeling. Yes, for betterment of the nation is called nationality. Yes, and our nationality is our pride to be Nepali. हामीलाई प्राउड छ हामी नेपाली हो भनेर. यस, विश्वमा एउटा नेपालीलाई ब्रेभ भनेर चिनिन्छ. यस, the citizens of sovereign and independent country. हामी गर्वको साथ हामी भन्न सक्छौं we are Nepali. Yes, why? Because Nepal is independent country, sovereign country. Yes, so we feel proud of for our country. Yes, who protect our country each and every time. We feel proud, we salute for them. Yes, army. Yes, Gorkhali army. Yes, they are very brave to fight with enemies. Yes, and today I will teach you about this. Yes, in book there is given, yes, one letter. In that letter there are different types of question asking, yes, about that, about, yes, our country is the country of diversities. Yes, there are different types of ethnic groups which live in this country. Yes, there are different types of language which we speak as our mother tongue. Yes, there are 125 ethnic groups live in Nepal. Yes, and there are 123 languages which are spoken as mother tongue. And there are different types of religion which are followed by different people. Yes, there are different types of religion which are followed by different people. They follow their tradition, culture. Yes, religious. Same like that, there are also four different religious. The religious tradition has influenced our own our way of life. रिलिजियस ट्रेडिसनले चाहिँ हाम्रो के बताउँछ त, हामी कसरी हाम्रो लाइफ कसरी चलिरहेको छ त, कस्तो छ त हाम्रो लाइफ भन्ने चीज चाहिँ केले बताउँछ, रिलिजियस ट्रेडिसनले वे अफ लाइफ बताउँछ. यस, सेम लाइक दैट various social custom, tradition and unity culture are existence here. We know that Nepal is multi-ethnic country, multilingual country, multicultural country. Yes, multi-traditional country. So here there are different types of tradition followed by different types of people. Different religions are followed by different people. Yes, different types of culture we can found here. Yes, नेपाल नै यस्तो देश हो जहाँ चाहिँ हरेक जात जातिहरू बस्ने गर्छन्, हरेक भाषाहरू बोलिने गरिन्छ, हरेक कल्चरहरू ट्रेडिसनहरू के गरिन्छ त फलो गरिन्छ. So Nepal is called a small world in itself. Yes, I had taught you in previous chapter. एउटा नेपाल भनेकै यस्तो देश हो जहाँ उ एउटा आफैमा एउटा विश्व छ. Nepal is one small world in itself. Yes, okay, different people follow different religious tradition, culture. Yes, same like that, all Nepalese have different culture, customs. Yes, of unity, cooperation, coordination, yes, coexistence, yes. They respect one another culture, tradition, yes, language, yes. In Nepal, they follow different religions. Hindu follow Muslim, Muslim follow Hindus, yes. Buddhist follow Hindus religious, yes. So we respect other cultures, and they also respect other culture tradition, yes. Buddhists go to temple and Hindu go to gumbas, yes. This means what? Unity, coexistence, coordination, yes. In Nepal, people live unity. So unity in diversity is very importance in our Nepal, in our country, yes. In previous class I taught you about that unity in diversity, yes. What is the actually meaning of unity in diversity? All people respect other culture, other tradition, religions, language, yes, and they have unity within them. आफैमा तिनीहरु के छ त unity छ. They respect other culture, tradition, language, religious, yes. They never fight for anything, yes. Many brave people born in Nepal, yes. They respect one another culture, social custom. Therefore, there is unity in diversity among us, yes. Our country has many identities which highlight our nation, national glory, yes. It is the land of Mount Everest. It is the high peak of the world as well as the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, yes. National glory भनेको के हो त? Mount Everest, yes. Gautam Buddha. नेशनल ग्लोरी हामीलाई विश्वमा चिनाउने नै माउन्ट एभरेस्ट, यस. जसलाई चाहिँ विश्वमै के छ त चिनिन्छ. सबभन्दा विश्वको अग्लो माउन्ट एभरेस्ट, अग्लो हिमाल कुन हो त भन्दाखेरि माउन्ट एभरेस्ट भनेर चिनिन्छ, यस. Same like that, the I speak great personality like King Janak, Sita, Bhirkuti, Arniko, yes, Gautam Buddha, etc. Country is also rich in natural resources. Country के छ त natural resources मा एकदमै धनी छ, yes. Our national flag, national flower, national birds, animals, yes, song, coats of arms, etc. are the matter of national glory. यो सबै के हो त? National glory हो. So we have to respect our nation and protect our nationality. Yes, we have to follow our custom, tradition. Yes, and we have to teach our coming generation also what is the importance of nation and nationality. Yes, and importance of tradition, culture, religions. Yes, then they also follow that things. They fought bravely against in prayer and protect our country from falling in the hand of other. Yes, great people are छन् हाम्रो कन्ट्रीमा जसले चाहिँ हाम्रो देशलाई चाहिँ अरूको हातबाट बचाएर राखेका छन्. इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट कन्ट्री भनेर चिनिन्छ, yes. So Nepal has remained as independent and sovereign country from the beginning. These all are the matter of our national glory, yes. Yes, and we have to protect our public properties also. Yes, we have to protect our public property also. For example, rest house, yes, public tapes, roads, bridges, temple, gumbas, yes, are national property. We should protect them. Yes, and nationality is the positive thinkings today we study, yes. And what is the importance of nationality, that also we study today. And I explain you about the importance of our culture, tradition, yes, religious, unity in diversity. These all things I teach you today, yes. In next class I will teach you next lesson, yes. Today this much, And today I am going to give you some tasks. Please complete your tasks, okay? This is your task. And please complete your task. Why should we protect national properties? हामीले national properties किन protect गर्नुपर्छ त? लेख्नुहोस्, okay? How do you feel proud of our country as the birthplace of Gautam Buddha? Yes, these two questions is your homework, and please write your work, complete your work, and learn also. Okay, thank you. Stay safe, stay home.